In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a mandala in PowerPoint. If you go into Insert, Shapes, just pick a shape like this. Take out the fill, shape outline, black. Okay. We will take some squares and triangles. Just take this rounded corner one. Yeah, okay. And then we're going to grab triangles. Take out the fill, shape outline black, no fill, black. I'll make it thicker, like we can do them all at the same time. Hit Shift and then click with the left mouse key. Go outline. Okay, so what we're going to do, make this into a square. Copy it. You know what, that's going to be enough. So now we select everything. So you go select objects, select everything. Go shape format, merge shapes, union, and then click on union. And that gives us our first shape. Make this bigger. Gonna do one more. Square. No fill. Weight. Make it thicker. Change it to black. Okay. Gonna go copy, paste. See what that does. Add another star. Okay, so I'm gonna merge it. Thanks for watching.